Are your Nintendo Switch controllers not connecting? Well, here are a few things you can try to get those Joy-Cons reconnected. Get started by resyncing the controller. Detach the Joy-Con controllers from the side of the device. Then press the sync button located here. Now press any button on the controller to turn it back on. Then slide the Joy-Cons back into the console. Now test the controller buttons to see if it worked. Next, make sure the controller's battery is charged. To check your battery level, tap the home button and select Controllers. The battery life is displayed for all paired controllers. If you don't see your controller, slide the Joy-Cons onto the side of your Switch. Finally, make sure you're connected to the internet so you can download the latest system update. To check for a system update, open System Settings, scroll down, and select System. System Update, then follow the directions on screen. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.